Good morning and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how the reminder works in your Mac as well as your iPhone, and how quickly via the iCloud, via the ecosystem of Apple, it gets updated automatically everywhere. So it will be a nice to see how best is the Apple ecosystem, uh, and I can demonstrate this directly. So let's get started. First we will activate Siri. So hey Siri, remind me to go for jogging in the morning.
Done.
Okay, as you can see, Siri has already added a reminder to my Mac app, and as you can see, it's automatically get updated into the iPhone as well. As you can see, go for jogging has been updated tomorrow at 7 o'clock. Now if I go into another reminder, I will create one reminder. In this reminder I will show you how to update, how to take Siri for its best advantages. So let's get started and create a reminder. Hey Siri, remind me to read about SAP SCM in the morning at 8 o'clock.
Okay. Added.
Okay, as you can see, Siri has already updated the reminder in my Mac app. Now, as you can see directly, it's got updated into my iPhone. If I go into the reminder, as you can see, read about SAP SCM at tomorrow at 8 o'clock has been updated. Now, this is at the two functions which I show you how to set a reminder and how to set a reminder at a particular time. Now see how to use Siri and send messages to anyone. Just activate Siri. Hey Siri, send a message to Wakar Khan.
What do you want to say?
Hey, how are you doing?
Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay. It's sent.
So as you can see, the messages will directly appear, and it is directly shown that it is been sent to Wakar Khan. Now I will use Siri to activate photos on Mac. Hey Siri, show me the last photo taken. Hey Siri, show me the memories of Mumbai. Hey Siri, show me the photos with dogs.
I couldn't find any matches in your photos library. Here are some images from the web.
Show me the photos taken with sea. Show me the photos taken with selfie. So here you can see how you can use Siri and help you find photos in Mac via Siri commands. Thank you for watching.